What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? How y'all feel? Check it out, check it out, check it out. Today. Who, me? What? No. Huh? Yeah, B. Okay, so me, I got some food right here. What's this? Oh, Gatorade. You know, I gotta keep Gatorade to, you know, this actually haterade. You know what I'm saying? Because there be so many people hating on me and stuff like that. I gotta keep the haters away. Let me take a little sip right now, matter of fact. Alright. Yeah, that's hater be gone. They won't bother me for 2 weeks. Okay. I know what sauce this is? No? No? Shut up. It's teriyaki sauce. Why teriyaki sauce? Oh. That's why. Stop playing with that boy. Stop playing with that boy. I know what that is. Yes, it is. Uh-huh. So, this is Chinese food if you don't know. Now you know, because I'm going to learn you real quick. You understand what I'm talking about? What's this? This right here? Oh, see, the type of guy I am, like, I really like to eat. So, this is like a whole nother, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Like a whole nother, this is a whole nother, you know, this is a whole nother thing of meat. Like, feel me? Yeah, all for me. Nah, I fed everybody else. My son sleep, so I put his like right when he wake up, he gonna be like, oh yeah, tear that up. Maybe got her, she upstairs eating, she on the phone and stuff, talking to them. You know how she be, you know, y'all know Maybe. So I had to taste that real quick, make sure it didn't taste different than what they gave me over here. But even though I don't even know what this tastes like over here yet, so we're gonna close that up. Oh, 3. So let me come on my shell just a little bit. So let's get into it, y'all. Oh, okay. This right here is teriyaki chicken. You hear me? That's that teriyaki thing right there. You dip it in that there sauce right there, and you take that there, you let it drip, 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 and then you catch it over there, let it drip one more time on the other chicken. Okay? That's how you do that. If somebody else tell you different, they're lying to you. Don't let nobody lie to you. This right here. Let me get a good piece. This right here. Spicy orange chicken. I don't think I never really had this one. Then again, I maybe did have it. Just didn't remember it. Because I remember that taste right there. Over here, you got your fried rice. You want your fried rice? You want fried rice? I do for you. Fried rice. No chow mein. No chow mein. You want chow mein? You go other store. We no chow mein here. Only rice. Only rice and orange chicken. You want hot wings? You go Domino's, give you pizza, hot wings, and small drink. No hot wing here. Okay, thank you. So, anyway, I was wondering, what's everybody doing? How y'all doing? How y'all feel? What's going on in the world? Not how y'all feel about what's going on in the world. How y'all feel in the world. What's going on? How y'all feel? Wait, what? Exactly. Now you thinking. Mm-hmm. I told him give me the burnt piece. I like the burnt pieces. You hear me? Like that right there. Like came fresh off a grill. That's the yeah. That's the teriyaki I like. Mm-hmm. Cause if it ain't like that, then it don't taste good to me. And I don't like food that don't taste good. You dig what I'm saying? I know y'all asking why I got this hood on and stuff, but me personally, right now, I just feel like I look cool with it on like this, so I'm gonna keep it on, you dig? But in all honesty, the real reason was I just need my hair done, man. I'm gonna take these braids out later today. So until then, this how I'm coming, you feel me? Yeah, I like this look. Remind me of my old school self back in that, you know what I'm saying, back in the 70s when I was back there. What? Okay. Get it? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, watch out there. Pass it, bring it back round. Oh, stop, yep, double time. Oh. You hear me? So, it's my little stilo right here. What was all of that? Nothing, I was just chilling. You're not even supposed to be here. Who let you in? Oh, okay. No, you want to be all up in my business? Come on, say hey to the camera. No, say hi to the camera. You just gonna disrespect them? You look like you don't see them sitting right there? You don't get. That's how you feel it right now? What? They can't hear you. I'm sorry. Sorry for what? Being an asshole. Oh, okay. Well, if you didn't want to be seen, that's all you had to say. You didn't have to come over here and be rude with all these, okay, with all your inches and stuff. I see you, but you're not that cute. You can sit down somewhere. You ain't gotta do all that. Just chill out. Mm-hmm. I don't know why she doing all that. Oh, maybe because I didn't let her be in the video from the beginning. She told me if I didn't let her be in the video, she was gonna act up and stuff like that. So I was like, whatever, you do what you gotta do. Uh-oh. Biggie, can you stupid? Yeah. I didn't like the way that was looking back there, so I just had to do something about it. So. But yeah. So what y'all doing today? What y'all do yesterday? What's on the agenda for tomorrow? When we watch these videos, when they be premiering and stuff like that, I'll be in the comments like, you know what I'm saying, trying to giving y'all little questions so y'all can answer for me. Sometimes it work. sometimes it be like whatever. Nita. Why is it that when people go get grocery food, spend like $400 on groceries, cash? Why do they still go get food, $55, groceries, in the kitchen? Why do people do that? No, not me. I'm talking about people in general. Asking for a friend. I don't know. Anybody know? Because I don't understand it. But I'll be in the drive-thru like, why ain't nobody just go to the kitchen and get no food? And then I say, let me get a number of something with a large drink. Hey, I'm making a video. So I was like, this is crazy. But I be wanting some of the food too, so I was like, I'm just go ahead and get some of the food too.
You gonna be a motherfucker? Yeah, that's you.
So, with all that being said, how about them Lakers, y'all?
Yeah, you just asked from the beginning.
Next video. Oh, huh? No, yeah. I'm gonna leave that all. I'm gonna leave all that in there and show how rude it is When you know I'm doing a video. I said it. You walked by, seen it. But nobody cares. So, with that being said, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hit the like button, bell, so you don't miss the next video, whatever the case may be. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. God bless you all.